So guys, we are using Thuni for Raspberry Pi Pico, and the code of controlling the servo motor is already there in front of you. Let's try to understand what exactly this code is trying to say. So the necessary libraries are already imported, like sleep, pin, and PWM. Now what is the seventh line of code? So the seventh line of code, it is telling that we are using GPIO pin 0 for signal pin of servo motor, and the PWM frequency is 50 Hz. Now here, if you will see the while loop, inside that we are using two for loop. So the first for loop is basically, it is telling that the servo motor, it is moving from angle 0 to 180, although it is written 1000 and 9000. And same the other for loop, here what is happening, the angle is from 180 degree to 0 degree. And what we are doing, we are just reducing the value by 100 every time here, and here we are increasing the value 100 every time, and then we are just spinning the servo motor from 0 to 180 degree and 180 degree to 0 based on this line of code. So that is what exactly the simple code of servo motor.
Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you again in the next day with a brand new video. You can also join our Discord community. There you can just hang out with your new friends. You can read ebooks related to robotics, electronics, circuit, and a lot of cool things you can do there. So the link is already given in the description. You can just check it once.